to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the new 2026 Lexus TX. The 2026 Lexus TX marks a bold step forward, replacing the outgoing RXL 3-row SUV. Known for its limited rear seat space, the RXL had its shortcomings. But the TX promises to address those concerns with a spacious interior designed to accommodate adults comfortably in the third row. Packed with luxury features and a range of powertrain options, the TX is set to redefine family-friendly luxury SUVs. The 2026 Lexus TX is more than just a replacement for the RXL. It's a reimagined SUV that blends comfort, luxury, and practicality. The TX is set to win over families and luxury enthusiasts alike. Depending on the interior layout you choose, the TX can seat up to 7 across its 3 rows. An optional set of second-row captain's chairs lowers the total capacity to 6. But buyers intending to use the TX as a family SUV may find that trade-off worth it to provide sibling separation. Storage bins are plentiful, and Lexus has integrated plenty of charging ports inside the TX's cabin too. The TX features plenty of standard luxury items, including a power-adjustable steering column, power-adjustable front seats with heat, and ambient interior lighting. More luxurious features are available as options, including semi-aniline leather upholstery, ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel. All TX 350s are powered by a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine. This powertrain makes 275 horsepower and comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. Buyers seeking more power should consider the TX Hybrid, which we review separately. On the road, the TX 350 feels more sluggish than its hybrid siblings, but its quiet and comfortable ride will likely satisfy the hordes of luxury-oriented families who will consider the TX an option. In our testing, the front-wheel drive TX 350 needed 7.1 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. The price of the 2026 Lexus TX starts at $55,050 and goes up to $60,950 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.